Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best giant folding knife is probably one of the most versatile and robust tools you can find, perfect for tackling any challenge from outdoor adventures to everyday tasks. In this video, we will explore the features, functionalities, and considerations to help you choose the ideal giant folding knife that perfectly fits your needs and preferences, ensuring you make a well-informed decision before purchasing. Number 5. Long Blade Folding Knife. It's a sleek, semi-folding knife with a blade longer than its handle, perfect for various tasks. The design is reminiscent of a classic Spanish clasp knife, offering both style and functionality. Notice the comfortable, ergonomic metal handle with wooden plates. It provides a secure and sturdy grip, making it ideal for extended use. This knife is your go-to tool for camping, hiking, hunting, or any outdoor activity. Its versatility makes it perfect for professionals and outdoor enthusiasts alike. It's crafted from high-quality, matte 440 stainless steel, offering excellent hardness and corrosion resistance. The durable construction ensures a razor-sharp edge that lasts. Looking for a unique gift? This knife is perfect for men and women of all ages, making it an ideal present for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. It's a gift that keeps on giving. Keeping it sharp is easy, it's compatible with any standard knife sharpener. This ensures it remains a reliable tool for years to come. What we like. This knife boasts an impressively long blade, perfect for various tasks. Its durable construction ensures it can withstand heavy use. If you need a reliable, easily sharpened blade for outdoor adventures or everyday tasks, this is the one for you. What people say. The blade is long. This is the beauty of this knife. It is essentially three parts: the case, the blade, and a fold-in fold-out blade extension receptor. The fold-in fold-out blade tip receptor covers, very effectively safely, the last few inches of blade when it is closed up. Otherwise the blade, when closed, would be protrude a few inches longer than the main hard case, so that extended blade needs to be covered when putting it back in case. This functions well and seems very solid and effective and is very unique feature. Case. I disagree with those negative comments on the case. It is fine and has a very effective strap that snaps over and very securely holds knife in a very decent case. Very nice sturdy knife, great quality. Number 4. CRKT M16-14 SFG. This is the CRKT M16-14 SFG, a folding pocket knife designed for everyday carry. It's built with a focus on safety and performance. It features an automated liner safety, providing an extra layer of security to keep you safe. You can confidently use it knowing it's locked securely. The blade boasts VEF serrations for superior cutting power. It effortlessly cuts through rope, straps, and more. Its G10 handle offers an exceptional grip, ensuring control in any condition. You'll maintain a firm hold, even when wet or muddy. This knife is designed by the renowned Kit Carson, right here in Vine Grove, Kentucky. It's a testament to quality craftsmanship. It comes with a limited lifetime warranty covering defects in materials or workmanship. See our website for details. What we like. Safety is paramount with this knife's automated liner lock. The serrated blade offers superior cutting power, while the G10 handle provides exceptional grip. If you prioritize safety and cutting performance, this is your best bet. What people say. The black serrated Tonto blade is incredibly sharp and versatile, making it ideal for a wide range of tasks, from daily utility to more demanding work. The blade has held its edge remarkably well over time. The G10 handle is both tough and comfortable to grip, even in challenging conditions. I also appreciate the dual hilt design, which offers excellent control and prevents my hand from slipping. The 4-position pocket clip is another thoughtful feature, allowing me to carry it exactly how I prefer. The 2 tabs at right angles to the blade allow the blade to be flipped open quickly and easily, and when the blade locks open they provide a very secure blade guard to keep the hand from slipping off the handle. Probably the biggest surprise was how tight and secure the entire knife was when it was open and locked. It is tough with no rotational give to the blade. Number 3. NedFoss DA52 Knife. This is the NedFoss DA52, a versatile and reliable pocket knife, perfect for any outdoor adventure or everyday task. It's made from high-quality materials. The blade boasts excellent toughness, wear resistance, and edge retention. The rosewood and gray metal handle provides a comfortable and secure grip, even during extended use. It features a liner lock for safety, a lanyard hole, and a convenient pocket clip for easy carrying. It's ideal for various activities, from hiking and hunting to fishing and everyday tasks. Always be prepared. It's precisely designed with an 11-inch length, a 5-inch blade, and weighs only 11.1 ounces, making it easy to carry and use. This rugged and reliable knife makes a great gift for outdoor enthusiasts or anyone who appreciates quality craftsmanship. We offer a 30-day money-back guarantee and a 12-month warranty. Contact us if you have any issues. What we like. This knife features a substantial blade ideal for demanding tasks. The rosewood handle offers a comfortable and secure grip. If you need a reliable, large knife for hunting or outdoor activities, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The company's claims about the sharpness of the blade are on point. This is a good-looking knife that actually backs up its form with function. With the blade extended, the knife has a nice balance and the grip fits my hand very well. The weight is perfect for a knife with a blade of this length. The size is amazing and the way it is very easy to carry and comfortable to wear either on the inside or outside of your pocket. The actual knife blade is very rugged and will pierce through a thick pair of gardening hoses, and I've even cut through thin pipe pieces. It comes razor sharp and easy to use and open. It is well made and appears to be very sturdy. It is a handful of knife too, with an excellent grip. The knife is a frame lock knife, and the frame lock has a very large tab on it that makes unlocking it a breeze. The action is smooth though heavy, but this would likely lighten with use. Number 2. ZT0450CF Folding Knife. This is the Zero Tolerance 0450CF Folding Knife, a perfect blend of performance and style. It's built to last, with premium materials and exceptional craftsmanship. It boasts a 3.25-inch S35VN steel blade, known for its toughness and incredible edge retention. You'll appreciate its exceptional sharpness and durability. The handle combines sleek carbon fiber and robust titanium, providing a comfortable and secure grip. It's lightweight yet incredibly strong. The diamond-like carbon coating gives it a distinctive matte black finish. This coating also enhances the blade's performance and resistance to wear. Whether you're a professional, outdoor enthusiast, or collector, it's the perfect tool for any situation. It's ready for anything you throw at it. Looking for a gift that makes a statement? It's an ideal present for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. It's sure to impress. What we like. This knife's blade is incredibly tough and resistant to chipping. The sleek, all-black handle is both stylish and durable. If you appreciate premium materials and a sophisticated design, this is the knife for you. What people say. The build quality is pretty equal to the Kershaw Leak, except for the blade is a more premium steel, S35VN, ZT, versus CPM 154, Kershaw. The black DLC coating of the 0450CF is also preferable. The blade closes and is perfectly centered in the handle. It's constructed of carbon fiber on one side, titanium on the other, steel on the friction point of the locker, and a blade made of S35VN steel which is honed razor sharp right out of the box. It's easy to open with one hand and the opening action is strong and fast. It is very light and thin, so it fits great in your pocket. One could not say enough about the blade steel and the other materials. Number 1. Spyderco Pacific Salt 2. It's been redesigned for even better performance, especially near water. We've focused on constant quality improvements to make it the best it can be. This knife boasts a high rust-resistant H1 steel blade. It's built to withstand harsh conditions and provide reliable performance. It features a lightweight yet strong fiberglass reinforced nylon handle, making it easy to carry without sacrificing durability. Just like the Endura 4, it's incredibly portable. It's designed with a high-traction, bidirectional texture for a secure grip. The enhanced ergonomics and versatile pocket clip add to its practicality. The patented bidirectional texturing provides a non-slip grip, even when wet. This ensures you maintain control in any situation. From everyday tasks to outdoor adventures, it's the perfect versatile tool. Its lightweight design and durable construction make it ideal for any situation. What we like. This knife is incredibly lightweight and easy to carry. The corrosion-resistant blade is perfect for use near water. If you need a lightweight, durable knife for everyday carry, this is the one. What people say. The black coating on the blade and hardware appears very tough. So far so good, and neither knife has any scratches etc. First, this knife is as rust-proof as knife can get. I live on the Gulf Coast and it's been on over a dozen fishing trips. The only reason I feel compelled to wash it is for the fish smell. Lastly, and foremost in my book, this steel holds a sharp edge. Far more than just a working edge, it is easily able to shave hair and maintains that edge through multiple fishing trips. The blade comes sharp. Right out of the box. One of the sharpest knives I have from the manufacturer. It is very light, similar to my Manix 2 lightweight knives, maybe even lighter. The pocket clip can be placed wherever you like it, but it is not a deep carry clip. It is a lockback mechanism which is one of the strongest. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.